Do you ever feel comfortable and uncomfortable at the same time? Or confused on the unexpected happenings? I do. So do people around me. Do you know how it feels to drink hot coffee in a fridge? Or sit beside fire and eat melting ice cream? That's how climate makes you feel today. Cold in the morning, scorching heat in the afternoon, drought in the evening, and flood by night. Mother Nature is done, Animalia is done, Planty is done. Aren't you done yet? Because I'm so done. Hi, I'm Jacket, and you are Nature's Renegade.